Today we're going to show you how to install our FXT hardware onto our Axiom backrest. The tools you'll need today are a 5mm Allen and a 10mm wrench. I've already predetermined that based on the width of our backrest and the width of our wheelchair, we're going to be installing this hardware into the outer slots. I've also already predetermined the angle I'd like the fixed hardware to be set at, and I've put those bolts in to their correct locations. So first step is to install this hardware onto the backrest. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Next, I'm going to take the assembly and I'm going to place it onto the back canes, just slightly tightened so I can line it up. From there, I'll tighten each side of the backrest clamps. The next step is using the tick marks on the backrest assembly and the slots. I'm going to make sure that my backrest is symmetrical before tightening those bolts down. The final step is using our Allen key. We're going to take our backrest plates and we're going to tighten those down over the hardware. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And that's how you install our FXT hardware.